Ipoh Mali. Ipoh Mali.
Hey guys, now it's 2 p.m. We're the second team to leave for Perak. Lambat sikit today because I went to accompany my mom to the hospital today. Ramai sangat orang, so we're gonna catch up with the other team. We're gonna start our route 2, which is Perak and Kelantan. I'll be piloting for Perak and Ati will be piloting for Kelantan, and we'll see you there. Bye!
Manusia menjaga, merebutkan tahta. Segala yang ada di depanku membuatku untuk terus menyanyi.
Nothing special about this road except for the rain, vegetation on our left and right. Anything but kelapa sawit. So yeah, that was just a short stretch. My husband's kampung is here.
Layar lewat nyanyian alam batinku. Getaran
We have to arrive, bro.
hanya untuk kebebasan.
Assalamualaikum.
So, korang baru sampai. Super nice, man.
Ni studio review. Ni studio review.
Hanyutkan goncang asamku, meributkan jiwa.
Tadi
Yes.
ada tadi kawan
Satu geng.
ya. Berapa orang?
4.
Ambil pas 4. Sudah habis. Sudah ramai jangan habis. Sudah ambil pas.
Satu ah. Okay.
Berapa nombor pas?
0052. Alright.
Wait lah.
Buat ni lah bro. Stop. Hi, we just arrived to Denby International School. So now we're gonna do a side recce. The field looks perfect, and Ati needs to run. Run, Ati, run. Okay, hi. We just finished site wrecking the Denby International School. We just met Mr. Fu right behind me. Yeah, the field looks great, easy. We have trees to anchor the balloon and we're quite excited. The school has about 300 students altogether and they're trying to get everyone here tomorrow for the workshop. Other than that, we just have to see the weather. I think it's going to be okay. It looks like a very new area. The school has been around for 7 years and we're quite excited because now we're going to give the workshop to children below 12. So hopefully they're all excited for tomorrow. So see you tomorrow.
Good morning. Now it's 6:24. We should be at the school by 6:45. But it's raining now. It's raining quite heavily. So you can see the app that the cloud. We are here. The clouds are just coming in. So we might postpone our time to start the balloon workshop to 8 o'clock maybe. We're just gonna wait and leave the hotel instead at 7:45. So we'll update you again later, inshallah. We'll be done. It has to be done.
Hi. So it's about 7 a.m. now. We are unable to go to the school. We are able to go to the school. However, as you can see outside, it's raining. It's been raining since last night. Just our luck. So we're gonna wait it out. We saw the radar. It doesn't look too good. Our cutoff time is about 10 a.m. We'll probably leave in 5 minutes, and we're gonna take our time to get to the school. Hopefully, eventually, the rain will stop. But as for now, we're just gonna enjoy the view and the sunrise that is never gonna happen for today.
Morning. Now it's 8:15. We had a bit of delay because of the rain. But as you can see now, it's quite windy. Look at the trees, the way it moves. For now, the wind direction is going that way. So tadi tu, when turunkan basket, we're gonna unload the stuff and then Ati gonna start the burner. Sekarang ni, we're gonna wait for the students to come. We checked the weather, the rain alarm, no more rain. I can show you. This is snatch. So boleh nampak, you can see the clouds have disappeared. But we hope the wind will die down so that it'll become like a calmer inflation.
Okay, so yesterday we came for the recce, and I'll show you where we plan to anchor. The first tree there, it's a bit windy. Tree doesn't look strong enough, but I hope it's strong enough. And then one more Sopa is doing on the other side. So we have two there, and then we're gonna park another one at the assembly point D, or somewhere near the goalpost. We're gonna put our car and we're gonna anchor the third one there. It's really windy, so I don't know whether we can even put the balloon. We can have the balloon standing up. It's gonna be a rock and roll inflation, and I hope everything goes well. If not, we're just gonna do cold inflation and have the kids inside the balloon.
We would like to say thank you to Ford Ranger as our official vehicle sponsor, IM4U FM as our official radio station, Altron as the Live on Air official apparel sponsor, and the Haven Resort Hotel and Residence for sponsoring our 3-night stay here in Perak. And last but not least, we want to thank 10B International School for letting us be here and let us fly our balloon here. So what do we use to inflate the balloon at first? Do we use the burner or the fan? The fan. So we use the fan to cold inflate the balloon so it's halfway, it's already open. And then what do we have inside the basket? Cylinder tank. Inside the cylinder tank is the gas.
Okay, as you can see, we are already done with the students. And then the wind is so strong. The wind is super strong, you know. And then we're having a bit of drama because the banner is falling apart. Drama, drama, drama.
Hello. So, Alhamdulillah, we managed to do a rock and roll tethering with rock and roll wind. And you know, as usual, when you put down, the wind disappear.
The workshop started late just now because of the weather, and then they initially wanted to gather the students batch by batch, but then one whole shot came by, so we had to keep them intact in one area and we had to rush for the balloon workshop. But Alhamdulillah, everyone paid attention. Yeah, the emotions are priceless. So sad that we cannot capture their emotion. It could have been better. It was the first school that confirmed.
And this is what we want. I mean, we want to appeal to the younger kids, like the 5, the 6 years old. But nevertheless, although we don't have the footage to show you, and they were really proactive in the Q&A.
Yeah, you can see, like, although the batch is like from year 1 till year 6, you can see year 1 putting up their hands first to answer the question, so you know how focused they were and how interested they are in hot air balloons. So it's pretty good feedback from the students.
Bye.
Bagaimana cara kita nak cuci belon? First, kita lebarkan belon ni. So kita detect mana kawasan yang kotor. Obviously, inilah kawasan yang kotor. I tak tahu kenapa. Maybe
Tak tahu kenapa? Cerita kah? Cerita. I don't
know what happened. I don't know why it's even white.
Eka knows exactly what happened.
Eka doesn't know why it's still white. After dah sejam kita orang basuh belon ni, Sopet came up with a better plan. Macam mana Sopet cara nak basuh belon?
First you need to like have a good posture.
Okay, let me get the angle. Okay,
Then you put your hand like this.
like that.
You make sure the circle is right.
Clockwise ke anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise. I always use anti-clockwise. So
And then
do like this. First you need to have the very teamwork is the most important.
yes. So everyone in position, please.
Okay, all please follow.
Follow Sopet. Position, please. Follow.
Okay.
Okay, teamwork is important. Alright, we begin with you.
1, 2, 3. Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. This one.
That's how you do it. You can see the result.
The result. Okay, I want to check with that side. How's the result? Is that anti-clockwise? That is not even circular motion, Bakis. Is it anti-clockwise? Yes.
It's working. I can't believe it. It's really working.
Dia tak payah nak lari.
It worked for 1.5 minutes. I got to rest lah. Now my time.